Hello and welcome back to the 13th video for Topic 1 System Fundamentals, and here we'll be describing a range of methods that can be used to prevent data loss. Remember, this is for the IB Diploma Programme in Computer Science. Still on Topic 1 after the 4 core units. We are on the penultimate video for 1.1, but the final video for system backup, as you can see here. Okay, so let's get started. So in this video we will explore a range of methods used to prevent data loss. These methods are crucial for ensuring the continuous availability and integrity of data in various scenarios, from personal data storage to enterprise-level data management. The video will cover the following key points. It will describe the various methods for preventing data loss, understand the importance of failover systems and redundancy, recognize the role of removable media and off-site online storage in data protection. We'll appreciate the necessity of regular data backups and hard copies for data integrity. Okay, so we've got a few data loss prevention methods. We've got, as you can see here, failover systems, redundancy, removable media, offsite storage, online storage, cloud storage, regular data backups, making hard copies. These ensure continuous data availability and integrity, protecting against system failures, physical disasters, and malicious activities. So let's go through them all. We've got failover systems. Now these are designed to automatically switch to a backup system when the primary system fails. They ensure continuous availability of data and services. Okay, so for example, imagine a website that uses a failover system. If the primary server experiences a hardware failure, let's say we've got Amazon and the entire system stored on one particular server crashes, then all those sales, everything would stop. So generally speaking, it's either going to be a failover system in terms of there's going to be a duplicate, one running side by side, or some kind of system will be in place, some kind of failover system will be in place. So if the system goes down, it will be down for the shortest amount of time. Okay, so as I said, if the primary server experiences a hardware failure, the website automatically switches to a backup server, ensuring uninterrupted access for users. Now redundancy involves creating duplicate components of systems to provide backups in case of failure. Redundant systems can include mirrored hard drives, backup power supplies, or redundant network connections. In home computer systems, you can have redundant data storage by using mirrored hard drives, something called RAID 1. This means that if one hard drive fails, your data is still intact on the other drive. Okay. Now removable media, obviously flash memory sticks. We've got DVDs, although you don't see these very often anymore. But removable media such as external hard drives, USB flash drives, or tape backups allow organizations to make copies of critical data and store them separately. Regular backups to removable media ensures that data can be recovered in case of system failure or data corruption. For example, you regularly back up your personal photos and documents to external hard drives. If your computer crashes, you can restore your files from the external drive. Offsite storage involves keeping backup copies of data at locations separate from primary data centers or the office. This protects data from physical disasters like fires, floods, or, for example, somebody stealing your data. A small business sends daily backups of critical financial data to off-site storage facilities such as this one. In event of a fire at the office, the financial data remains safe and accessible from the other site location. Okay, we have online storage, or as you're familiar with it, cloud storage. This service offers convenient and secure data storage solutions. Data is stored in data centers, maintained by service providers, allowing users to access the data from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. These services often include built-in redundancy and failover mechanisms. For example, you could use a cloud-based file storage service like Google Drive to store your important work files. And the beauty of this is you can share these files with other people. Other people can be working on them at the same time. Even if your computer malfunctions, you can access those files from any device with an internet connection. Okay, we have regular data backups. Now, regular scheduled backups are essential for preventing data loss. Automated backup solutions can ensure that data is constantly copied and stored somewhere else securely. For example, a school's computer lab automatically backs up all students' assignments and projects to a central server every night. This ensures that if a student accidentally deletes a file, it can be recovered from the backup. Okay? And finally, we can make hard copies. Sometimes information can be printed out and saved, like books, important documents, or school papers. However, printing can be costly and take up a lot of space, and printed copies can still be lost, like if there was to be a fire and they'd all get burnt and they'd be gone. Important legal contracts are printed and kept in a fireproof cabinet. Even if digital copies are lost, the printed ones would be still available. Okay? So in summary, effective data loss prevention requires a combination of strategies including failover systems, redundancy, removable media, offsite storage, online storage, regular data backups, and making hard copies. By implementing these methods, individuals and organizations can safeguard the data against various risks, ensuring its availability and integrity even in the face of unexpected events. Okay? As always, I'm going to give you 3 questions. Define the term redundancy in the context of data protection for 2 marks. Describe how removable media and offsite storage helps in preventing data loss for 4 marks. And then explain, for 8 marks, why regular backups and hard copies are necessary for maintaining data integrity, and please include some examples. Okay, again, if you don't want to see the answers just yet, please pause the video. Otherwise, I'm going to go straight on. Here we go. So, question 1. 1 mark, it's a 2-mark question, remember. 1 mark for defining redundancy in general terms, and 1 mark for linking redundancy to its role in data protection. So an example might be, redundancy refers to the duplication of critical data or systems to ensure availability in case of failure. In data protection, it involves having backup systems or data copies ready to take over in case the main system fails. Okay? And for 4 marks, identify what removable media and offsite storage is, explain the role of removable media in data backup, explain how offsite storage provides additional security, and discuss how these methods ensure data recovery after physical disaster. Okay, so if we put that into context, removable media, such as USB drives and external hard drives, can be used to back up important data, providing a physical copy that is separate from the main system. Offsite storage involves saving data at a removable location or in the cloud. This ensures that in the event of a fire, a flood, or a system failure, data can still be recovered from a secure location. Okay, and then finally, 2 marks for identifying the importance of data integrity and regular backups, 2 marks for explaining how regular backups help in restoring data after loss, 2 marks for providing an example of hard copies, ensuring data recovery in case of digital failure, and finally 2 marks for discussing how both methods work together to prevent complete data loss. Okay, so here's an exemplar answer. Regular backups are essential for maintaining data integrity, as they allow users to recover lost or corrupted files. By regularly copying data to another location, businesses and individuals ensure that their information can be restored if the primary system fails. Hard copies provide an additional layer of security in case of digital failure. For example, having printed financial records ensures that data can be referred to if digital copies are lost. Both regular backups and hard copies together ensure that data loss does not lead to catastrophic consequences. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you very, very much indeed, and I will see you next time for the final video, video 14 in this series. Okay, bye for now. Please continue to ask questions, leave your comments, hit notifications, and please subscribe. And finally, if you wish to buy me a coffee, I'd be truly grateful. Please visit buymeacoffee.com/learning zone. Thank you very much indeed. See you next time. Bye for now.